Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful rectangular placemat using granny stitch. For this, we are using yarn, crochet hook and a cutter. For this project, I am using 5mm crochet hook. To do this beautiful rectangular granny stitch table mat, we want to know the basic stitches like chain, double crochet and slip stitch. So now let's see how to do this beautiful placemat. To do this granny stitch pattern, the foundation chain should be any multiple of 4 plus 1. For this video purpose, I will be doing 21 chain. That is multiple of 4 is 20 and plus 1. Start with a slip knot. Do 21 chain. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do 21 chain. That is the foundation chain should be multiple of 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
So after doing the foundation chain, it looks like this. Next, you are going to work in the fourth chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are going to do a double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. This is what we say it is double crochet. This 3 chain acts as the first double crochet. And this is the next double crochet, and in the next stitch you are going to do one more double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop. You will have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through next 2 loops. Then do chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch you are going to do 1 double crochet. Next stitch double crochet. Next stitch double crochet. So it looks like this. This is the pattern which you are going to follow for this row by doing chain 1, skip 1 stitch and do double crochet in each stitch for 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. So you have to follow this till you reach the last stitch. After completing the first row, it looks like this. For next row, do chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. So the first 3 chain acts as the first double crochet and chain 1. Next, you are going to work in all the chain 1 spaces. In this chain 1 space, you will be doing 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Next chain 1. And the next chain 1 space do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So you have to follow this till you reach the last chain 1 space. That is chain 1 and do 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space. 1, 2, 3. So after doing them, it looks like this. Now we are in the last chain 1 space. So next you will do chain 1, do a double crochet on the top of this double crochet. So after completing this round, it looks like this. This 3 double crochet is said to be one block. So if you start with a block, you should end with the block. If there is a gap while you start the row, you should end the row with a gap. So for next round, you have to do chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Turn your work. Next you are going to work in the chain 1 space. You will be doing 2 double crochet. 1, 2. So this chain 3 acts as the first double crochet. So totally there are 3 double crochet. Next chain 1 and work in the chain 1 space. You will be doing 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. So you have to follow this till you reach the last chain 1 space. After doing them, it looks like this. So now you are in this chain 4 gap. You have to do 2 double crochet in the chain 4 space. 1, 2 and do 1 double crochet on the third chain. 1, 2, 3. So we'll do a double crochet on the third chain. So it looks like this. We have to repeat these 2 rows till the required height of the placemat you want. That is, for next round we'll be doing chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn your work. You'll be working in all the chain 1 spaces. You'll be doing 3 double crochet in all the chain 1 space. 1, 2 and 3. Then chain 1. The next chain 1 space, do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. So you have to do this till you reach the last chain 1 space. Then do chain 1 and do a double crochet in this third double crochet. And for the next round, we have to do chain 3, and in the gap we'll be doing 2 double crochet, and in all the chain 1 spaces we'll be doing 3 double crochet. So you have to follow the pattern till the required height of the placemat you want. After doing them till the required height, the placemat looks like this. Granny stitch rectangular placemat looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.